Firstly, take us through what happened on the bourse today.
The Nigerian Stock Exchange today closed on a flat note. That is, the all-share index increased by 0.26% from the level of yesterday. And going by our analysis at Stanbic IBTC Research, the top 40 stocks on the Nigerian Stock Exchange appreciated by 0.51%. But the banking sector depreciated slightly by 0.41%. We may attribute this to the fact that some investors are very eager to take some profit of their investments which they have made in the past few weeks. The insurance sector also declined slightly by 0.78%. And if we look at the conglomerate sector, that was able to return an upward movement, an appreciation of about 3%. Also, the beauty sector appreciated by 3.48%, while the other sector witnessed a decline of about 0.01%. So in all, we believe the upward movement of the top 40 stocks on the exchange, which accounts for about 85% of total stocks listed, which appreciated by 0.51%, is the major reason behind the 0.26% upward movement of the Nigerian stock markets today.
Let's talk about Nestle Nigeria. They came out with strong first half earning results. How did they manage that, considering they had to put up prices in the first half of this year?
Yes, the management of Nestle Nigeria PLC, I would say, is a strong type. If we look at the top line, which is the turnover, we notice a growth of about 35%. We notice that by Q2 this year, which is between April and June, the company embarked on a sales promotion activity. So in the process, one of the flagship products was involved. And so we believe in that promotion, they were able to get increase in volume for sales. So we believe that is partly responsible for the 35% upward movement. But in the other way, we believe that the company is aggressively trying to manage its cost of operation so that it can remain competitively profitable in the food and beverages sector of the economy. So as a result, we saw a 25% increase in the profit after tax for Nestle Nigeria PLC. So we strongly believe that that is because the company, although embarking on sales promotion, was able to manage the growth in its cost and other expenses. Also, another point about Nestle is the plan that they have to expand the business beyond the current level. So where they are looking at expanding from Lagos to another factory in Ogun State. So we believe that in the long term, the result we have just witnessed is most likely to improve if by next year, when the project of Shagamu, where they are building another plant, is most likely to be completed.
Well, Nestle, do you think it should be diversifying at all? We know it does health products as well as nutritional products, but do you think it should be diversifying further?
Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't hear that.
Do you think the company should be diversifying in any way?
I do not think they should really diversify because the current product lines are well known in the market and they have high market acceptance. And in fact, many of the brands in the market that are food-related stuff, people generally call them names that are peculiar names to Nestle Nigerian Foods. So, and that is basically because of the high market penetration and acceptance that the company has established in the past. But the only thing which I strongly support is the expansion, to expand the product line of many of their products. from the current level they are operating to another plant that which they are already working upon. As a result of this, we have actually done like an analysis, and that has shown that the company is most likely to return about 8.86 billion profit after tax for financial year 2009.